afternoon everyone, welcome back to Shri Krishna Textile. So this video is all about some pretty full stitch dhoti and tulip salwar concepts. So I will be covering some pretty festive wedding collection which is ready at Shri Krishna. Like this you can see, ये हमारी short अनारकली आएगी, short peplum style shirt with some गोटा पत्ती, mirror work, zari work, साथ में नीचे printed digital धोती आएगी with some गोटा embroidery and with a lovely dupatta like this. And all these concepts can easily fit up to 2XL, 3XL size, pretty Punjabi patterns, Punjabi suit patterns available with us at Shri Krishna. Price range आती है इनकी normally 6 to 8,000 के bracket में. Second design that's with a short shirt pattern. You can see ये draping style हमारी short shirt पंजाबी shirt का pattern आएगा. साथ में ये हमारी धोती सलवार आएगी all with गोटा पत्ती leather work and साथ में आएगा ये दुपट्टा. All these pieces can easily fit up to 3XL sizes and price range वही चल रही है 6,000 to 8,000. Pretty pieces to go. Take the screenshots to book your pieces. Coming up to my next design, this is in pastel color. Like this is the short peplum style shirt, all with zari work, some gota patti work, some sequence highlight. Like this short peplum style shirt with इसमें धोती हमारी normally center embroidery आती है, इसमें हमारी side embroidery धोती आएगी. Like this you can see and it comes with a beautiful contrast dupatta. Pastel colors में अगर हम contrast दुपट्टा दे देते हैं तो concepts look much better. Like this. Pretty piece to go. Easily fit up to 3XL size. Another beautiful concept with pastel shade only with same color dupatta. Like this you can see again short peplum shirt आएगी. Normally ये हमारी knee length तक आती है. Lovely इसमें काम हुआ हुआ है. Some mirror work, zari work, Pakistani temple embroidery, and here comes the dhoti. Pretty dhoti concepts like this you can see and साथ में पूरा heavy हमारा 4 side scalloping border आएगा. Again price range 6 to 8,000 category only. Coming up with my one of the super selling concept, ये हमारी shirt आएगी पेप्लम साइज शर्ट नी लाइन तक. इसके साथ ही धोती इज वेरी डिफरेंट एंड स्मार्ट. पूरी वीविंग यू कैन सी बनारसी वीविंग की धोती के ऊपर हमने सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी करी हुई है. लाइक दिस वीविंग फैब्रिक कंसेप्ट में हमने लिया, उसके ऊपर सारी डिटेलिंग ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी विद दिस शर्ट एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट दुपट्टा. लाइक दिस प्रिटी कॉन्ट्रास्ट दुपट्टा, वीविंग धोती and pretty shirt concept. Perfect piece for festive collection, for festive season like Karwa Chauth is around the corner, Diwali is around the corner. One of my super duper selling concept. Again easily fit till 3XL size. Price range same चल रही है 6,000 to 8,000. A pretty concept with digital prints. So Shri Krishna will never fail to impress you with their digital prints collection. तो ये हमारी शर्ट आएगी like this beautiful peplum shirt with digital print and embroidery dhoti. So you can see this is a lovely Sabya inspired digital print. इसके साथ बहुत ही सुंदर embroidery detailings over the dhoti and a lovely 4 side border dupatta. Pretty collection, 3 colors available, easily fit up to 3XL size and price range 6,000 to 8,000 only. For more variety, for more details, my WhatsApp numbers are given below. आप मेरे स्टोर पे भी Monday to Saturday 11 to 8 विजिट कर सकते हैं. Address is given in the information below the video. Pretty collection, all wedding and festive season variety is ready here at Shri Krishna. Another lovely concept with digital prints. One of my again super selling pattern. So again short peplum. Here comes the digital print dhoti with all gota embroidery like this. You can see pretty one. साथ में ये short peplum shirt आएगी like this and a pretty 4 side embroidery border dupatta, scalping dupatta. So all this lovely pretty dhoti collection is available with us at Shri Krishna. Take the screenshots, book your pieces. Look stunning this festive wedding season. Another stunning piece coming your way. So now this is with ankle length A-line dress like this you can see ankle length तक हमारी A line dress आएगी. Here comes the Afghani salwar, ankle length dress with Afghani salwar and pretty dupatta concept. Totally with zari work and sequence work, royal look pieces. Again easily fit up to 6XL, 3XL size and price range रहेगी वही 6,000 to 9,000. Pretty pieces to go. Take the screenshots to book your pieces. Up with my another super duper selling concept, cross color silk fabric. This comes again with ankle length anarkali. Like this you can see all with pretty, super elegant temple embroidery. साथ में आएगी ये सलवार, बहुत ही सुंदर हमारी अफगानी सलवार, ankle length अनारकली अफगानी सलवार and a pretty dupatta like this. Beautiful concept, cross color, peacock blue, peacock green concept, pretty piece. I easily fit till 3XL size and price range इसकी रहेगी little on a higher side. This is approximately 9,000 के आसपास, but a pretty piece to go, must have piece this wedding season. Another lovely outfit. So if you are looking for perfect dress this wedding season for your mehendi ki raat or for your sangeet functions, so this is a lovely piece. This is ankle length anarkali with you can see flary plazo. तो ये ankle length तक हमारी अनारकली आएगी. साथ में this is our flary plazo. You can see pretty flary plazo and it comes with a lovely contrast dupatta. So for your sangeet functions, for your mehendi cocktail functions, if you have Indian theme concepts over your wedding, so this is a very stunning and a very pretty piece. All only from Shri Krishna Textile. Easily again fit up to 3XL size. Price bracket वही चल रहा है. All these dresses are under 6 to 9,000 category. Pretty pieces to go, ready to wear ones. Another lovely piece, ankle length anarkali, all with you can see pretty temple embroidery. पूरा heavy piece आएगा. All over temple embroidery. Neck पे पूरा hand work है. सीक्वेंस वर्क है, कटदाना वर्क है. बाकी पूरी शर्ट पे यू कैन सी टेम्पल एम्ब्रॉयडरी, लवली बेल स्लीव्स पैटर्न लाइक दिस यू कैन सी. एंकल लेंथ अनारकली अगेन कम्स विद अ फ्लेरी डिवाइडर. सो ये जो हमारा प्लाजो है ये फ्लेरी डिवाइडर है एंड कम्स विद अ प्रिटी कॉन्ट्रास्ट दुपट्टा लाइक दिस. सो परफेक्ट पीस फॉर ब्राइड्समेड्स, लवली पीस फॉर फैमिली वेडिंग्स, pretty pieces to go. ये सारी collection is ready with us here at Shri Krishna. You can visit us Monday to Saturday 11 to 8 and we deliver worldwide. Bulk orders, bulk inquiries. My numbers are given below. My address is given below for any orders and any inquiries. Coming up to the last concept of today's video. Again this is ankle length anarkali with some pretty zari work, sequence work and artificial mirror work. This comes with a tulip pant like this. You can see pretty tulip pant का concept है. साथ में ankle length anarkali and a double shade dupatta. So all these pretty beautiful concepts with lovely sleeves pattern, lovely lower patterns, different dupattas patterns are available with us at Shri Krishna. You have to take the screenshots, book your pieces. For more variety, more color options, my WhatsApp numbers are given below. My address is also given below. If you want to visit us Monday to Saturday 11 to 8, you can visit us at my store in Delhi, Charlie Chowk. And to book your pieces, otherwise also my WhatsApp details are given below. We deliver worldwide. Thank you so much everyone for being a part of Shri Krishna and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel with your friends and family and stay tuned for all this pretty festive wedding collection. Thank you.